What's up guys? So the next thing we're going to cover is software. So right now we are currently using Film and Vinyl Design. We've used DAP, we've used DigiCut, Solar Guard's the one that they like strap you to it, and unless you buy film they won't let you use it. We've used, I think we tried 3Ms, but we've landed on Film and Vinyl Design. Remember, we do window tint. We don't do a lot of PPF. So for window tint exclusively, I would highly recommend Film and Vinyl Design. It's like 90% to 95% accurate, and it's only $110 a month, I believe. So it's very affordable, it's very reasonable, there's no contracts. You can start, you can finish, end whenever you want. You can also adjust patterns and make things custom. So you can do squares, you can do shapes. It has a bunch of different variations, and it tells you a lot of things that a lot of other softwares don't. So in my opinion, I would give Film and Vinyl Design a 4.5 out of 5. And the only one I would say is better would be DAP, but of course, like, you're gonna have to be buying their film and only working exclusively with them. But I don't think you should I don't think you should even worry from DAP going to Film and Vinyl unless you do PPF. If you're doing PPF, you want to stick with the ones that you're comfortable with. But for window tint, Film and Vinyl Design all the way. I will probably never switch softwares ever again. So check them out, guys. We don't have any affiliation with them. They're just a really good software.